everyone. Today I will introduce the lob switches probe. This probe includes two lob switches, one controller, and one 12-way adapter. As you can see, the lob switch have two gears. We can turn in left or right. The quantity of the switch can be 1 to 6. Users can choose as you want. Firstly, I will show you how to play. Just power on.
The device is started and the current operating mode is in the same mode. The system enters the working state.
Okay, now we turn the switches in the correct position. This one is correct now.
The door is open.
Okay.
The door is closed.
This is in the wrong position. This is how to reset. Just turn all these switches in the wrong position. Now we will try again.
The door is open.
Okay. Reset.
The door is closed.
Okay, that's all.